Who decides what is included in official Nordic cultural reports? In recent discussions, many are curious about the decision-making process behind Nordic cultural reports. This topic has gained traction as people seek to understand how cultural narratives are shaped in Denmark, Finland, Iceland, Norway, and Sweden. If you are interested in how cultural policies are crafted or want to know what influences the content of these reports, you are in the right place. Official Nordic cultural reports are typically decided by a mix of governmental cultural agencies, expert committees, and representatives from the Nordic Council or Nordic cultural institutions. These groups collaborate to determine the content based on cultural policies, research, and the current cultural landscape. Key decision-makers include the government ministries of culture in each Nordic country. They oversee the preparation of cultural reports to align with national cultural strategies and funding priorities. The Nordic Council and Nordic Council of Ministers play a vital role in coordinating cross-national cultural initiatives. They produce joint reports that reflected shared cultural values and developments across the region. Cultural experts, scholars, and researchers contribute through advisory roles or as authors. They provide data, analysis, and interpretation of cultural trends, heritage, and artistic output. Stakeholders from cultural institutions, such as museums, libraries, and arts organizations, also provide input. Their involvement ensures that the reports reflected the diversity and richness of Nordic culture. The process usually involves consultations, data collection, and review stages. These groups decide what cultural aspects, such as arts, traditions, language, literature, and social practices, are relevant to include. The aim is to present an accurate overview of Nordic culture, emphasizing both national characteristics and regional cooperation. While specific details about the decision-making structures for Nordic cultural reports may not be explicitly outlined, this framework aligns with how cultural reporting is generally managed in Nordic countries. The Nordic Council's role in cultural policy coordination is well known, and national ministries typically have the final authority on what is officially reported. Understanding who decides what goes into these reports can help you appreciate the cultural narratives that shape the Nordic region today. As cultural discussions evolve, staying informed about these processes becomes increasingly relevant.